been a good week. The Caterham's back and I have a semi-working clutch foot. So it was off to Anglesey in Wales to test them both out. Sometimes third gear just isn't enough at Peel. It was a really high quality track day with only a couple of red flags. One of them serious enough to close the circuit for an hour, unfortunately, after somebody dumped the contents of their engine oil all over the fastest part of the circuit. Can't have it all, can you? Anyway, given that Anglesey is the most beautiful circuit in the UK, let's take a steady trip around on the sighting laps to give you a chance to take a look at just how beautiful this track is. My favourite corner on the circuit, Peel. Judging by the motoring press, it's also everybody else's favourite too. Gigantic smoking drifts as they appear over the top to this view. Spectacular. So that's the coastal layout. In the afternoon we switched to the International GP layout, which has the additional hairpin section on it. Okay, let's switch the telemetry overlay on and take a look at a couple of faster laps. Actually, a quick question for you. In a lot of Caterham videos, you see a camera mounted on the top of the rollover bar, which gives you a view like the top right here. I'd like to know whether you prefer this sat down in the car type view or the top right view that gives you a little bit more of the scenery. Put in the comments below which view you favour. Yes, tremendously good fun that, despite the GoPro dying a number of times throughout the day, including during what later turned out to be my best lap. Never mind. Another thing you may have noticed is the car's making a slightly different noise to what it was before. There's an update video coming on that very soon. So let's take a look at a flying lap of the afternoon session around the full international GP circuit. Cracking day out. If you've never done Anglesey circuit, I highly recommend you make the trip. Although, cross your fingers for weather like this.